Hey, it's Christian, and we're gonna fly a Tello drone, but we're gonna program it first. So we're gonna get it to go up into the air, we're gonna get it to go up a little higher, go forward, come down, take a picture, and then land. So that's kind of the task. First thing we need to do is make sure that it's connected to the iPad. So I went ahead and turned it on, and you'll see that there is a flashing yellow light in the front. That means that it is ready to connect. And so I'm going to come over here and you'll see that it says it is trying to connect. I'm going to turn this off, turn my Wi-Fi back on. I'm going to wait for it to come back up, and there it is. So now it says it is trying to connect. So that's a good thing. We're going to go ahead and go to the app. The app that you'll want to download is called Drone Blocks. And once you click on Drone Blocks, it will come up. I've already put a program in, but over here on this side, I'm going to connect to Tello, is what it says. Brings up this little box here, and if you remember in the Wi-Fi, it told us it was 56ED5F, so I'm going to say connect. And it says it wants to join the network, and we're going to say absolutely, we want it to join. So now if you look at the lights on the drone, they're still flashing yellow. So we're going to, we want that to go green. Now it's green, so now we're ready to go. And you'll also notice that you'll see a video feed of what's going on. So if I put my hand in front, you'll see my hand, and I pull my hand away, and that picture will go away eventually unless it disconnects. And it disconnected. So we're gonna reconnect it here really quick. So I'm gonna turn it back on again. Sometimes it'll do that. So now it is starting to reconnect. So I'm gonna go back into the settings, make sure that it comes up again. So we're gonna click on that guy. Says that it's trying to connect, which is good. I'm gonna go back in. Let's check and see if it's here. So we're gonna click. It says disconnect, so I'm gonna disconnect it for just a second. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try to connect again. It says it wants to join, so we will do that. And now we can see the picture of my hand again. Okay, so now it's ready to go. We've got a program ready, so we're gonna come over to the pancake. We're gonna press on the pancake, and then we're gonna say launch mission. And the first thing it should do is take off after 5 seconds. And so we heard it, and it did, took off. So it waits a few seconds before it does the next command, which is to go up. It will wait a couple seconds. It'll do the next command, which is to go forward. It'll do the next command, which is to come down. It's gonna take a picture, and then once it does that, it will land. And the kids can watch the program as it goes through too, so that's kind of the neat part. But that is going through getting the Tello drone to fly a program and just some troubleshooting in the middle.